Hello all. Today we will discuss the first chapter in class 11th biology. The chapter name is The Living World. The living world is made up of living organism. Plants also living and human being also living. All animals also living and microorganisms are also living. Living organisms shows some characters. That characters are growth, ability to sense environment, metabolism and reproduction. These are the character. If you take a living being, the living being should follow this character. Then we can say the living being is living. And when we talk about growth, growth means increase the mass. Growth means increase the mass. Plants grow throughout their life, but animals grow up to a certain age. It is a fact actually. The plants can grow throughout their life, but animals can't able to grow up to their death, because animals or human being, we have a certain age or certain time to grow. Up to a certain time our growth will be there. After that the growth will be stopped. Ability to sense environment, which means all living organism has the capability to sense their environment by using sense organs. That means all living organisms use their sense organs to sense the environment. You all know that we have different sense organs. By using our sense organs we can sense various senses in our environment. So we can say we have sense organs to sense various sense of our environment. So when we talk about metabolism means all chemical reactions which happens in our body. As you know, our body is made up of chemicals actually. So the word metabolism, which means all living organism all sorry the word metabolism means all chemical reactions in our body. A lot of chemical reactions are happening in our body. When we eat a food, the food become small molecules by lots of chemical reactions with enzymes and all. And next, then we talk about reproduction. Animals and humans exhibit sexual reproduction. As you know, in sexual reproduction, two parents are required. A male parent and a female parent is required for sexual reproduction. Human being and animals do sexual mode of reproduction. Bacteria, fungi, like microorganisms do asexual mode of reproduction. In asexual mode of reproduction, only a single parent or only one parent is required. So when we go with asexual mode of reproduction, like yeast, hydra do budding mode of reproduction. If you see in the diagram, that is a bud. The bud arise from yeast cell, which will become a new yeast. So yeast and hydra do budding mode of asexual reproduction. Fungi do spore formation. Spore formation means they will form a spore and they will do reproduction. Algae do fragmentation. Fragmentation means break body into different fragments. You may see there is an algae cell, alga or algae, which split their body into various fragments and do fragmentation. Algae is a freshwater microorganism. Fungi, yeast, hydra, all are microorganisms. Okay, these all microorganisms do asexual mode of reproduction, and also one flatworms or planaria, which also do asexual mode of reproduction or regeneration. Regeneration, the flatworms and earthworms, they break their body or they cut their body, and each part will become a new flatworm. So flatworm will do regeneration. Human being and animals and human being will do sexual mode of reproduction. Bacteria and fungi do asexual mode of reproduction. Yeast and hydra exhibit budding. Fungi exhibit spore formation. Alga exhibit fragmentation. Flatworms do regeneration. Okay, so today we discuss about living things and living being. It is the first part of the video. As you know, about living things and living worlds, the living things must show some characters. growth, ability to sense environment, metabolism, and reproduction. It is just an introduction video. In this chapter, in the introduction part, these points were discussed very detailedly. If you refer textbook, you will get more knowledge. So you can read the textbook 2 to 3 times for getting more knowledge. But actually, in the beginning of the chapter, some introduction which is related to your lower section, because in your lower classes like class 10th and 9th, you had a detailed discussion on living organisms, reproduction, metabolism, and growth, etc. So it is just an introduction video. The real explanation or the real part of biology will start from the next section itself, which we will continue in second part. All of you like, share, subscribe my channel. If you give more support, I will upload more video.